Welcome to this tutorial on scaling deployments in Kubernetes. In this video, you'll learn how to manually scale applications up and down by changing replica counts. Manual pod scaling is a fundamental skill that gives you direct control over how many instances of your application are running at any given time. Scaling in Kubernetes means adjusting the number of pod replicas to handle varying workload demands. When you scale up, you add more pods to handle increased traffic or processing needs. When you scale down, you remove pods to conserve resources when demand is lower. This flexibility allows your applications to adapt to changing requirements efficiently. There are several scenarios where manual scaling is beneficial. First, when you have predictable loads or scheduled events, you can scale proactively. Second, during testing and development, manual scaling gives you precise control over your environment. Third, it provides fine-grained cost control by allowing you to manage resources exactly as needed. Finally, manual scaling offers a quick response without waiting for automation delays, giving you immediate control when situations require rapid adjustments. The fastest way to scale deployments is using the kubectl scale command from the command line. The syntax is simple: kubectl scale deployment followed by your deployment name, and then -- replicas equals the desired count. This command modifies the number of pod replicas immediately, making it perfect for quick scaling operations. Let's look at practical examples. To scale up to 5 replicas, you would run kubectl scale deployment engine x-deployment -- replicas equals 5. To scale down to 2 replicas, use the same command but change the replica count to 2. You can also scale deployments in specific namespaces by adding the -n flag followed by the namespace name, such as production. The second method involves modifying the replicas field directly in the deployment manifest. In the YAML file, under the spec section, you'll find the replicas field. Simply change this value to your desired number of replicas. This approach is useful when you want to maintain infrastructure as code and keep all configuration changes tracked in version control. Once you've modified the YAML file, you have 3 options to apply the changes. First, you can apply the updated file using kubectl apply -f followed by the file name. Second, you can edit the live deployment directly with kubectl edit deployment followed by the deployment name. Third, you can use the patch command with kubectl patch deployment, the deployment name, -p, and a JSON string specifying the new replica count. After scaling, it's important to verify that the changes took effect. Use kubectl get deployment followed by the deployment name to check the deployment status. To view individual pod details, run kubectl get pods with the -l flag and a label selector. If you want to watch the scaling happen in real time, use kubectl get pods with the -w flag to see pods being created or terminated as they happen.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.